We get
Crows are on somebody. There must be a hawk over there.
hawk.
Yep, a hawk or an owl in the big tree.
Where?
Across on the corner. You hear the crows? They're all up in that tree.
Hawk alert.
Upset about something. Right here on the corner house.
Yeah, I see it. I don't hear anything. Yeah, we've had a lot of predators out here. Tough to survive in the wild. A lot of our little baby squirrels jumping around. We just put out everything. Yeah, that bucket had a lot of good ones. There's a little fella up there. We gotta try to restock this week. I'm gonna have to try to shoot up to Fort Valley, see if I can get any more of their pecans from Lane Southern Orchard. They've given us a lot of their pecans. But we're running low now. I'll have to call up today. It's pretty quiet out here. We had a few come up to us for pecans. It's early, it's like 7 a.m. so they just start coming over. But if there's a predator out, oh, little fella needs another. He's coming down. That's little fella. Oh, he's right by you. Little fella. He's right there. He's waiting for one. Do you have any?
Huh?
Do you have any?
Oh yeah, where?
He's right there waiting on you.
Here, baby. Come on. Here, sweetie. Here.
Oh, there you go. That's what he wanted. He's watching you.
Look at you, little fella. That's him.
He was watching you.
Little fella. I believe that's the spider baby. See how he's sitting?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he'll face the woodpecker too.
Oh yeah, woodpecker's up there. Let's see.
When he coming to the nut hut.
Where's the? There he is. Oh, he just took off. Ah, just missed him. Oh, where'd little fella go?
That might have been Woodrow.
Oh, he jumped back in the tree. Everything's loaded up. But yeah, we're gonna have to try to get some more pecans this week. I'll have to drive up there. Hopefully have a good day today. I could drive up there tomorrow, if I can anyway. I don't think it would be a problem. I haven't been getting, I mean, they pretty much leave me alone to pick it up. Lane Southern Orchard has given us a lot. They used to help me load it up, but they've been busy the last few times I've been there. So it's been taking me about an hour to load up about 5 500, 600 pounds because I gotta hold the bag open myself too, which is hard. Those sacks, 50-pound sacks, and then trying to load it. You pretty much load it by hand. Takes a little time, but it's worth it, especially with all the stuff they're giving us. All right, let me get going. It's quiet here. Come back on later.